Welcome back. So today is XMG lost link from atcsecure-x11coin. Okay. So this is part 26. And as you can see here, what we're going to do is to work from Magic Coin to atcsecure-x11coin. So we have already worked on this. We are half the way around, half the way. We just need to work with more stuff. So let's check how, if there is any change to be done. No, that's okay. So we can just go here and check whatever it's needed to be done. So we should have we have managed to finally deal with the images, which are different. Now I think that it's time to check what the hell is this? It's time to check many files here, so that we rename X11coin to Magic Coin, so that we remove them away from our view. There's also make file and so on, but I want to deal right now with this X11coin Pro, which is inside SRC, and it should not be there. Okay, let me see. Yeah, okay, so this is remove non-used. Okay, and let me okay, so once we've managed to work or to remove this file, we should be working on the rest of files and just focusing on whatever makes more sense about renaming renaming X11coin to Magic Coin. So I already know more or less which are the files that should be here. Okay, so let's copy them to the right. We are not going to deal with readme yet. What the hell is this coding.txt? Setup. Yeah, all of these files should be here, although I think that some of them are for ticker, but never mind, let's add them here. Same thing happens here. Bitcoin strings and Bitcoin units. Let's do not copy Bitcoin units, because it's about the ticker. Okay, let's copy to the right, just in case we lose everything there. And what more do we have here? Okay, base 58.h, usually it's not the thing that you want to copy. Checkpoints, not. And kernel.cpp, it's not the thing you want to copy. Make files, yeah, although we're going to copy them later because they have more stuff usually. Yeah, Hamal, good morning Hamal. I saw you the other day. You subscribed to the channel, and you have a Machi playlist or something similar. You follow some people about Machi. I don't remember. Okay, you can say something in the chat. Okay, so wait a moment. Hello, are you from Pakistan? Because Next Tech is from Pakistan, which is the first seat from Machi Coin, and yeah, probably you are not from Pakistan, because you never know. A name should not tell me if you are from one country or another country. Okay, so let me see. So once we have copied all of these files, you can see how in a Magic holder since 2016. Okay, yeah, that's when the first snapshot of Next Tech is done. So this is all the files that are being changed. So let's check real quick if everything is about changing Magic Coin. Otherwise, we are going to remove it so that we can focus on so this is restore, isn't it? I'm from Belgium. Yeah, okay, yeah, it doesn't have. Yeah, hit restore, and we remove this from here. We will check later. And that's why you say good morning, because you are from Belgium. Okay. Let's check if we can find some file that it's obvious that it doesn't have any Machi Coin replacement, although most of them will have from here. Oh, wait a minute, please. Okay, I'm back. So I'm located in Spain. Yeah, okay. So my question is, have you tried, I mean it's the same thing, but I'm curious, have you tried my Machi wallet, my Machi code, or not? Or you have just changed the nodes? Maybe you have not needed to change the nodes. Okay. Well, anyway, let's. So I have here on Rukar Machi, I made some work on the Machi wallet, and then there's this Machi repo which has my work. So you can see how you've got this new OpenSSL support, and also AREM and ARC support. I mean, ARC64 and so on. So I'm curious. Still running on wallet from old Machi site. Okay, yeah. So I guess that the big thing about my change was changing the DNS and IPs, because if you come nowadays 2021 or 2022 and you try to connect to these seats and IPs, you don't connect. So you need yeah, I mean, you don't have to, because it's exactly the same code. The only change that changes is this: once you have add nodes, you have custom add nodes, or you have the knowledge, the history of which IPs you have to connect to, it should work. Okay, but if you want to work, you want a new installation or whatever, you can use this one. You are, of course, you should of course check the source code and build it yourself, because I have a build for Linux, but it's better if you build yourself, as always. Okay, so now I'm going to add all of these files here in such a way so that I can add all of these commits manually. Let's check if everything of the strings are being. So now we will only save all the commits, all the changes related to X11coin being renamed into Machi. Okay, everything else we won't save it, so that we have a commit about all of these changes only, because this is better to understand what you need to have here, to understand the big changes here. Okay. Yeah. This is something boring. This is a bit boring, so thank you, Jamal, for being around here. Okay. Let me see. Belgium. Yeah, okay. Yeah, the wallet is still syncs because when, if I'm not mistaken, when the, where the hell is this? The wallet saves IPs from other coins. So the next time you run the wallet, you are connecting to these old nodes and everything. It's okay. So that way you do not need. Okay, look at that. There's something to be fixed here, because we have XC. Okay, XC and XMG, we don't want to save the ticker change yet. Okay. Yeah, I'm convinced that that's the reason, because about the nodes are saved somewhere, and that means that is easy to know. It's easy to connect, but the problem is new people with new computer, new installations, they do not find any Machi node. So we went ahead and I asked in the Discord for some people that were willing to give their DNS and also their IPs, you know, to have some servers online, and so that they are always online, and these are the nodes and the IPs that they were used. Okay, and that's why they are on the code, so that they are used by default. Okay, that way, if you don't manage to find the old wallet, the old GitHub, if you manage to find the new one, you don't have later on to update your nodes lines in the machi.conf file. Okay, let me save all of this. So far, these are just renaming stuff, like this GitHub redir, which is not from Magicoin itself, but it's here. Yeah, okay. This is change. This is only change. Let's. Okay, this is a thing that we saw the other day. So make sits.py. In some of the forks, they removed this execution bit because probably they copy it from Windows, which you don't have execution bits. And here you have it back. So if you clone Magicoin, you already have make sits.py as an execution. You can execute this file without having to give them execution permission. But we don't want to save this here. This is a change of port, I guess, but this is the first time I see this. So make sit. Why the hell is this port here? I wonder if this is actually needed. Maybe this is a bug. That's a good question. Why would you put this here? Okay, anyway, we don't want this change here. Bitcoin, Machi, yeah. Okay, these are the versions. Better download and keep offline copy. Better download and keep offline copy. Do you mean about that you are not going to run my wallet? You mean that you are going to keep the offline copy that you already have? I am not sure what you mean with this line. Okay, version. Yeah. Okay, now we begin to see some stuff. Which, okay, not this thing, not this thing. And this is the thing you will want to change. Oh my god, what the hell is this here? Yeah, this is not used because this is removed, although yeah, maybe it's used, but it is ignored. But yeah, so let's save it. Not, wait a minute. X11coin qt.zip. You can make a zip from. What the hell is this? So there are no more changes here. Okay, let's say that yes. Okay, so if you are going to use the new wallet, keep offline copy. What do you mean by keep offline copy? Okay, this should also have something related to. Yeah, here we have a change because this has more text here. Okay, so I'm not going to save this because I don't think this is useful. This is not useful at all. Let's split this and did I? Yeah, so let's save this one, which is about renaming X11coin to Machi. Okay, we don't want this one, so let's go on. Not this. X11coin Machi. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes I will split the commits even if it's not needed, so that it's easier to know if everything is okay or not. Yeah. Okay. This is not okay. This one we want to save, but not this one. You can see how this is the new stuff, that you can stake coins or not. So I guess you can mine coins instead of staking them. Yeah, that's right. So you can choose if you want to stake them or not. So he's just copy and pasting this option here. Okay. I like to keep a blind copy of everything that it's important. I need everything to restore a wallet without relying on someone else keeping it online. Yes, Hamal, my piece of advice is that you save the private key, the public key, also to know how many coins you have, and usually I would say the 12 or 15 words in order to be able to create the wallet, but this is not Ethereum, so I don't think you have 12 or 15 words unless you're using them to encrypt the wallet, you know what I mean? Okay, not this, not this, not this. X11coin and matching. Oh, let me split. Okay, thought. Okay, look at that. This should not be here. If you use JIT properly, you should not see any commit that has this. You should do JIT diff before committing anything. Although he might not be working with the same version I was working on, so yeah, we want to save this, not this one, not this one, not this one. Okay, let's remove all of this. Not this one, not this one. These are the seats, these are the APs that I was talking about. What the hell is this? Minter miner, okay. Yeah. So apparently he modifies the minter as miner, but I'm pretty sure that he later has a minter, so I'm not sure why he has this here. Okay, this is a replacement, and this is something. So here you have the miner or minter. Well, I'm not sure about that. Generate Bitcoin, generate Machi. Okay. I wouldn't rename this function because why would you? Doesn't not help to understand. So Bitcoins is proof of work and Machi is proof of stake, and that's it. So I'm not sure this is useful to have it there. Okay, not the ports, not this thing here. Okay, magic coin. What the hell is this? Colors. Okay, so colors are changed there. Yeah. You know. Let's write this somewhere so that we can have some interesting details. We can save this. We can have a page on our Machi repo org. So this should be something like what's the name? Yeah, that's a good question. Machi coin changes the Qt app color, and we can copy and paste this. This is message splash color. Probably a warning message, warning error message. Not sure about that. Okay. What more do we have here? Okay, just replacing. So let's save this. Not this. Yeah. This is being replaced. And you also have to have like 3 physical copies in 3 different places, so that if your home is burned down, you don't lose anything. Okay, this is also a replacement. This is not a replacement. So instead of using a wallet, you use a wall shadow. Okay. Oh, look at that. This is probably moved up or down, whatever the reason is. Okay. X11coin, coin Machi. Yeah, maybe renaming X11coin to coin Machi is a way of later on knowing which has been changed, or being able to copy stuff from other coins without having to deal with all of this renaming. I'm not sure. A timer to update the minting info, minting icon. Okay, yeah. Oh, look at that. Jamal already has these 3 different copies in different places. It's nice. Okay, X11coin Machi address. Yeah. This is perfect. You could think about renaming X11coin to Machi coin and splitting them into 3 commits. One for the Qt app, another one for src folder, and so on. But I put everything into a single commit because it's easier to do. What the hell is this? This is a tab that has been added here. And what about this? Is another tab. So we will try to save the tabs into a single what's the name? Into single commit. Oh, there are a lot of stuff here. So we have more tabs here, which I asked myself, maybe this was fixed on this was probably fixed on Bitcoin, and this is some changes that were taken from Bitcoin. Probably the wallet part was taken from Bitcoin. So Machi coin took the wallet part from Bitcoin, if I'm not mistaken. The Qt wallet, I mean. Okay, wallet is encrypted. What's the change? You can see how there is a point here. Oh my god. So yeah, there are some changes here which are not related to this space here, so that you know that it's easy to understand the return. Okay, what the hell? This might be some code here. New users need advice. Yeah. Wow. I'm not sure new users are going to see these videos, but because they are too long and they are too technical. But yeah, thank you. Minting, yes, this is renaming minting into staking. These videos are useful if you want to learn about developing the wallet or whatever. Okay, this one I want to save here. This is the port. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's split this. Not the port. We want this one here. This should be Bitcoin strings.cpp, if you ask me. Not this thing. Let's save this one and this one. Yeah. Okay. Let's split this. Hopefully it's good enough. And we can keep track of this. Yeah. Okay, here there is all non-fixed fields. You fix. Okay, this is not used anymore here. Why so? We don't know. Oh, look at that. There are like 5 columns instead of 4 columns here. You ask yourself why that's the case. Okay. Yeah. So if UPnP is here, that means that X11coin already had plug and play support. That's interesting to know. Okay, so what the hell? Yeah, this should be saved here. Okay, and this does not seem to be anything that we will save as a X11coin to Machi coin replacement. Okay, here you are. This is nothing. So we have here some colors. Yeah. Okay, Machi network. Let's replace this. Not this. We want the back window to be here. Okay, about removing this. Okay, this is for the ticker, but we don't want the ticker right now. Yeah, I don't think this is useful at all. Not here. Okay, you can sign messages also from here. Okay, look at that. This is probably something related to making Windows stuff, desktop stuff. Well, I'm not sure about that. Yeah, okay. Let's save many of these things. Not this one. And this one is a ticker, so we don't save it here. Okay, we want to save this. Let's split this so that it's easier to check. Yeah. Yeah, okay. This is different address, but we will. So Machi address starts with 9. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, we don't care about this. This is the one we want to fix, to add, I mean. Not this. Yeah. Okay, let's split, but I don't think this is useful at all. Okay. Hopefully we can end this in less than 1 hour, because this is a very boring commit. It says renaming stuff. But it shows some difference with other coins, because I think Machi coin renames more stuff. Okay, so this thing here, we don't want this. Maybe we want to split this, not this. Yeah, and these are some other commits here. Yeah, okay. That's okay to be renamed. You need some breakfast. I'll keep talking about Machi to people. Yeah, okay. The good thing about Machi is that it lets CPU people to mine, but I'm not sure it's a good coin, because you know, the problem is that people are not mining Machi, and I don't think the reason is because of Machi not being on changes, because of Machi not being updated. I think the problem is that you cannot mine this with a GPU, and the people who has money buy GPUs and in order to mine, and they want something in return, and it's not easy to have something in return with Machi. Okay, so I think there's sort of architecture, you know, an architecture failure, an architecture design problem, which makes some people not to mine the coin, and at the end, if nobody mines the coin, what you would like to have at the coin? That's a bit the question. Okay, so that's my own way of looking at the things, looking at all of this. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, so let's ignore everything that it's related. It's not related to the coin replacement, because we will save it later. Okay, what about this? Yeah, Windows Vista. We should be saving this. Okay, not this thing. This needs to be saved here. Look at this. And this is some other coins did that. So wait a minute. Yeah. So he has kept the 100 million coins from Bitcoin. and this sends also, or maybe not, not sure about this, but you know, this it made a different coin number, cent number, I mean, than X11coin, so that's a good thing, but I'm not sure it's exactly the same thing as Bitcoin units. Okay, so debug magi, not this, let's split, not this. This is here, client version suffix, we don't want this, not this, not this, not this thing here. Okay, yeah, okay, some spaces here which have been changed here, not this here. So this might be init.cpp or something, because there are a lot of stuff from, or net.cpp maybe this is, I'm not sure. Okay, we have managed to finish this long commit. So now we're going to check what's going to be saved into the commit and see if there's something obvious that I have added that I should not be adding in the first place. Okay, so let's see, we see something obvious here. Yeah, this one here, yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, what more do we have around here? Yeah, this threadcon midcon miner, threadcon match miner. Yeah, this one should not be here. So this is net. Let's restore. Just change the net.cpp. Now let's add this with more. Not this, not this, not this. This should be here. Not this. And now we don't want anything of this. This is okay. So generate bitcoins and generate Meiji. I'm not going to add it. I'm not going to add this one either, not this one. And now we should be able to check everything. Skill net.cpp, which we have here. And let's continue to the future. New changes here, run it here. Let's check if there's something obvious that should not be here. Okay. Yeah, magic coin address is being changed. Okay, what more do we have around here? So far everything it's okay. Okay, so now we have this replace coins, coin name, which I think we already have some of them from the start, isn't it? Replace bottle caps with strings. Yeah, so this is probably the third one, if you ask me. So I think this is the third one. From my point of view, this should have third one. Even if it's not the third one with the numbers, I think this is the third one. Okay. So this is nice. Okay, so yeah. We have more changes. Oh, these are a lot of changes. Why are there so many files here? There are going to be a lot of commits here. Let me see what's left here. Okay, so you've got this thing about the ticker. Yes. Version changes and a lot of changes right and left. Yeah. Yeah, we might do some changes about Qt in bulk, because otherwise I'm going to be here all the time. Yeah. So I might be tempted to search all the loop changes here. So this is from Bitcoin rpc.cpp. So let's save the loops here. Now let's search for more loops. What the hell is this? Okay, so yes, so this is the database. Also has some loops. Nice. Let's search for more loops. What the hell is this? IRC. So we want all of these loops. Let's search for more loops. Look at all of these loops that are trying to confuse us. So let's remove them so that we can be focused on what it's useful. Okay, so loop, not this thing here, not this one here, another loop. Okay, not this thing, this one here. What more do we have around here? What the hell is this? Something server. I'm not sure what is this. Okay, this is IPC server. Why would you have an IPC server? IPC. Yeah, not sure about this. If this is a good idea or not to have in a cryptocurrency coin, but I mean, I have no idea if you ask me. Okay, so this is the only change. So this should be script.cpp. What more do we have related? Oh my god, how many loops do we have here? So this is util.cpp. Let's patch this. Okay, not this, but we want the loops. Not this. We want the loops. Okay, we are done. Let's search for more loops here. Define loop. Yeah, I mean, we might want to. Yeah, let's add this stupid thing. So let's split this. So we won't want this. We want this. definition of loop, and I think we are done. We will have the commit will have what the hell is this? The commit will have this everything about the loops. So what you are changing and what you are defining there. Okay, this is a loop, but we need to split here. Not this, not this. I think we are finishing because wallet is W. What about splitting this so that we can check? Wasn't there a loop somewhere here? Okay, what more do we have here? Do we have some other loops? Okay, wallet de.cpp. So this is a patch. So we want this. Okay. Now we should not have any loop while we are carrying stuff. Okay. Now we're going to check if everything related to the loops is here. Look at all of these loops, which are not a good thing to have. So here we remove it and we, yeah. So this is something useful. No, it should not be useful because, you know, this is specific. Well, this is not specific, but you know, loop statements were translated into while true statements. That's right. Okay, so now we should have less files, but not so much. Let's see what the hell is here on hit diff. Okay, we have many things here. We should focus on something and go from there, I guess. So let me so give me 5 minutes, please. Okay, so I'm back. So I'm going to work with Qt app with minimal changes, which I see myself that are not useful at all, like these style sheet colors, so that I have a commit just about that. That way it will be easier to just focus on whatever is useful here. So I think we can do something like this, so that we only have commits from there, and we will find out. Yeah, we will find out. Yeah, so these are some stuff that it's not useful at all. This is just changing, yeah, version. Yeah, this is not cosmetic. This is cosmetic. We don't think. Yeah, no. Set object name, Machi wallet, and then have it different color. Let's say that yes, we want this. Not this one here. Here we have another color stuff, so let's say that yes, we want this. This is another color that has been changed. Yeah. What about this? No, this is not related to this, but we need to save this into another commit, so we will recycle this thing here. Not this. What about the splitting all of this? Not this thing. Not this thing. Not this thing. Not this thing. Okay. Oh, look at this. This is a X11coin to Machi replacement, which we have not seen before. This could be also something related to style sheet, but this is not what we want to save into this commit here. We just want to save something about changing the colors or the style sheet or whatever. Wait, we want to add this one. Maybe we can manage to go back. So the first one, yeah, we want this one. This is also a style sheet. Yeah. This is also something related to style sheet, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Look at all of these colors being changed because reasons. Not this thing here. And these are some changes. Let me split here. Yeah, and not this one. This is related to the grid layout. Yeah, let's not save this for the moment. What more do we have here? Let me see. This is not related to layouts. Not here. Not, yeah, status, maybe this one here. Precise mode. Yeah, but this is not related to lock contest. Okay, so now we should be able to see what's saved here. Let's see if we want to save all of this. Probably yes. Nice, I guess. So we should have some files up here. Okay, so this is this is something that you want to save. So we want commit, and so this is related to Qt. So this cosmetic changes in your design. Yeah, cosmetic. Let's use cosmetic, even if it's not the right thing to do. And let's check. We had this thing about, yeah, so we can work now with this same folder, but we are going to work with tabs, because I know there are a lot of tabs that should not be there. So let's search this. So I have seen some tabs. So this is a tab, you know, exactly the same text. So let's save all of these tabs so that we have them in one single commit, and that way it's easier to understand what the hell is needed here. Okay, Bitcoin units. Yeah, I guess. Okay. What about this thing? Yeah, this is a tab. Another tab, another tab, another tab. Another tab. Yet another tab. That you ask yourself why this is so different here. This is a replacement. Yeah, this is a point. We will make some other commits about the point, but so far there's no need to. Okay, let me see. These are points, so we don't care. We only care about the tabs. So it must be obvious that there's a tab somewhere. Yeah. Let's see if I can find this. Because otherwise, yeah. So now we should be able to see that everything here has a tab. Okay. Yeah, okay, so this is additional tabs being removed. Now we are going to focus on the point, okay? So let's search for points. Let me see. So we should have message similar to this ones, but with a point on the end. Yeah, these are all points. What about this? Do we have points? Staking and minting, yeah. Okay, not this thing here. Yeah, so far I am unable to find more points, and we might be able to find them later. Yeah, okay, so the same thing happens. Do we have all the points here? Yes, we have. So we can say add full stop on many strings. Yeah. So one more thing that you want to do here is I'm not sure if I remember about this. What's the other thing that it's obvious? Maybe the lines. Some lines which should not be here, should not be there. Staking and minting, isn't it? Well, something about the staking and minting. Yeah. Staking. Yeah, minting and staking. Let's work with that. So not this thing, not this thing. Okay. Minting. Oh no, this is not useful. Not these two ones here. Okay, here you can see how minting, staking. This is not useful. This is not useful. And I'm doing this different commits so that it's easier, because this is going into magic coin, else I wouldn't be doing this. Yeah, there are some minting. I'm not sure there's something more. I mean, yeah, it was only one place. So this is use staking instead of minting on the strings. Yeah. Replace minting to staking on the strings. Add this thing here. Okay, we can work with spaces maybe. I'm not sure if this is useful. There are not so many spaces, isn't it? Okay, let's work with these two strings related to magic coin and so on. Okay, there are here. I think it's only these two strings, and this is found on Bitcoin UI. So let's add these two files, these two changes there. Not this. This is the one, and this is the one. So let's exit here. Let's search for coin name, and this is number 4. Now we are going to add everything here, but we only want the spaces. So let's search the spaces. So this is going to be quite easy to see. Yeah, so we want this space. Let me see. This is space here. This is also like a space. What about splitting this? Not this. Yeah, so now we should have another commit which is only about spaces. So this is spaces and this is fork margin. Nice. What more do we have around here? Yeah, we have a ticker somewhere, which I don't remember very well. Oh, look at that. Update minting info icon. Yeah, this is something. We have a port also. What the hell is the ticker? It's here. So maybe I want to save the ticker first. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, I mean, if it's only one change, we don't need this. Send coins dialog.ui. So this is the ticker. Okay, so it's the first ticker message that we do. So we replace XMG X coin, magic coin. X11 coin, magic coin. Yeah, I don't think. Okay. Let's see what more do we have around here. Yeah. Okay, the port. So let's save the port, which is here on Bitcoin strings. This one here, this one here. So now we should have this port. So we should have change port. So this is Magi. And we should be able to save these changes into a temporary file and then make sure to yeah, so this could be done like this. So we change the port here. Yeah, okay, so what more do we have around here that it's useful to be done into a single commit, that it's not, yeah. Okay, look at that, there's a ticker here which mint coin. Yeah, this is mint coin. Not this one, but yes, this one. So we have this thing about the ticker. So this is number 2. Okay, let's see if we have done it properly. Yes, that's right. Yeah, so the rest of it is stuff that might be useful or not, but you know, string text const. Yeah, what the hell is this? We're creating a function which is not here. So let's add this thing here. Bitcoin amount field of age. And have this Qt. So line was moved. Okay. We also have many stuff about using Qt version -5 or not. So this is probably not needed nowadays, but you know, we don't know. Let me see. Is there anything obvious, or do we just move everything? Yeah, there was messages about this. Yeah, this message here, which is from Bitcoin GUI. Bitcoin GUI.cbb. Not this one. Let's split this one, not this one. So this is yeah, rename mintin info into mintin icon. This is not useful at all. Okay, so now we have everything else which it's useful, if you ask me. So this should be commit, which is a doubt. Okay, so this is major changes on the Qt side. Okay, yeah, and here we have all the major changes. There are some changes about Qt4 and Qt5. We don't care about them. Okay, so we have managed to work with whatever was in src Qt, but are we missing something because we didn't copy it before? Let's take a look. src Qt. Okay, we have Bitcoin units. We managed not to copy yet, so let's work on this, and then we will figure out if okay, so there's a ticker here. Well, this is not a ticker, this is changing units. So yeah, okay, we can have this change how units are shown in Qt app. Okay, so now we have some more files that are being modified, and we should be able to find some more stuff that we want to save. Hopefully in a easy way for understanding this. Yeah, okay. Oh, look at that, there are some spaces here which we could add probably. Let me see if spaces are in a lot of places or not. So what the hell is this? src init. src. So we're going to save some spaces here, and that's it, because This one here, nothing more. And I will end the video here and then we continue. I think there are some other spaces somewhere that I have seen before. Yeah, what the hell is this? Wallet. Okay. Wait a minute, is there anything else in addition to wallet.cpp? What the hell is wallet.cpp? Okay, so wallet.cpp. Well, this is not wallet. This RPC wallet. Okay, so wallet.cpp, we should work with it. But is there... So wallet.h, yeah, so wallet.cpp only. What the hell? So wallet.cpp, okay. Not this, not this, this one, this one, this one here. Not this, not this. Wait a minute, I think I have forgotten one of them. Not this one, not this one, not this one. Yes, this one. Let me go to the past. Maybe there's some 6 one. Yeah, this should be added here. Not this one. Okay. Let's check wallet.cpp if there's something that I have missed. No, that's not right. I mean, this is not okay. Wallet.cpp. That's right. Now we should see whatever is going to be in the commit. These are all spaces, so let's reuse the spaces one. This is number 2. Yeah, so now we can check more stuff and do more stuff like ticker or whatever. But so far, yeah, I like the ports. Changing the ports is also one thing that it's easier to do, but there are a lot of changes here, if you ask me. A lot of changes to be saved. Okay, so I will stop the video here. We have many comments here to be done, so maybe I will revise this so that we have, what the hell, oh, okay, we have some changes here that should be done manually. Yeah, so let's round it up here. We will continue next day or next video, I mean. So thank you very much for watching the video.